Welcome back, guys. This is the instruction manual for how to run OpenClaw without the terminal. So you've probably already purchased this Claw Launcher file, which we created especially for you to save you time on installing OpenClaw. So what you do is you literally double click on it and it will open up this page right here, which basically is the page where you can literally install OpenClaw in one click. You literally click install and it will install it for you. Can you imagine how much time, if you don't know how to use the terminal and you just wanted a graphical user interface that will help you get control over your computer so that you can literally WhatsApp an agent and tell it something and it will literally do it for you just like that. So obviously this video is just the instruction manual. I'm going to try not to get excited. I'm going to try and keep my excitement at a low, and I'm just going to click on install and let you see how it works. So as you can see, it's installing to a new folder. Now the folder that's installed is going to be put right next to the wherever the launcher is. So when you purchase this launcher, by the way, it's literally $9.99, literally. And this file here will then create this folder, and you will now have a browser. This is literally Google Chrome. I'm inside Google Chrome, and everything you see happening here is happening inside of Google Chrome. So all you need to do is wait, and it's going to install all of the dependencies in order to get this to literally work for you right from here. Once the installation is finished, a new button will appear up here which says start OpenClaw. So you just have to wait. It usually takes about maybe 20 minutes, 15 minutes to install, and then you'll see that it works. So over here right now, if you look at my screen, it says not running over here. That's because it's not yet running. And when it is running, it will say running. And so the great thing about this specific this software that we've developed for you is that you can always force close OpenClaw. So even if you install this on your actual computer, the one you use regularly, you don't have to worry that it's running in the background because you can always force close by clicking this button. Now, for non-technical people, without having a button like this to stop OpenClaw, it could be running in the background and you have no idea. So that's what makes people scared to actually start using this. And I know that because I was like that as well. So, okay, so let's wait for this to complete. When it's finished, then we'll click on the start and then I'll show you how to get started. All right, fantastic. So a new button has now appeared. Installation complete. You can now start. And as you can see, it literally did all of the work for you right here. Now, if I click on Start OpenClaw, it will now start. It will check for a gateway. It will do all the work that programmers know how to do that regular users don't. So this program called OpenClaw Launcher is literally bridging the gap between a person who doesn't know how to get into this new hype and to start learning. If you don't jump in now to learn how to do this, you are going to miss out on the future of AI, because this is the future. If you're still using ChatGPT and not having your computer be able to do things for you, you are missing out. So usually this is the only thing you'll have to do. One click install, start when it's ready. It will do all the work. It will check the gateway. It will do everything for you. And then it will open up in a new tab on Google Chrome with already starting to process your work. So you have to allow all of the permissions required so that it will be able to work. It's just doing everything. You just have to just wait, to be honest. I don't know why I even made a video with an instruction manual. It's the most simple thing. If you get stuck, send us an email. Just click on the solutions button here and then contact us. We will try to assist you as well as we can. Okay, let's give it a few more seconds. It's installing the gateway now. This is you only have to do this once. When you first open the launcher, then you will have to do this once. After that, you won't have to do this. Whenever you click on the launcher, you just click on Start OpenClaw, and then it will straight away open up OpenClaw for you. All right, give me a few more seconds here for this to complete the installation, to open up. All right, it's ready and it's opened up OpenClaw. Are you ready, guys? Here we are. We're inside. Fantastic. So these are things I asked it to do earlier, and it seems to have remembered everything. All right, so let's run a quick test to see if this works. I just want to also show you that it says running here now, and if I want to stop it from running, I just click on force close OpenClaw. But right now, let's just run a quick test to see if it works. I'm going to send a message on my phone over here. I'm going to send a message just to test it. Open Notepad, please. So as you can see, open Notepad. I'm going to send it, and then let's see what happens on my computer. All right, it opened Notepad on the other screen. You can't see that, but here we are. It opened it. You know what? Let me close it again. You know what? Let me say, it's actually writing to me right now, and it says done. Notepad is open. Let me try again. Close Notepad, please. So I just sent a message. Close Notepad. Oh, there we go. It disappeared. Fantastic. So this is just one example of doing work, but I guess this is just an example to show you that it works. Now, when you first come with a fresh install, it's going to ask you a few questions. You are going to need to connect one of your APIs. I recommend using this API. Let me just show you. It's called Moonshot API. You just type that in Google, and I recommend this is where you get the Kimi K2 model. I recommend you use this. Get an API key from here. You've got to pay them, obviously, but this one is going to let you control. It's going to give the power to OpenClaw to do work for you. So I highly recommend this specific API because it's the cheapest and the most powerful, and it works perfectly. And that's the one I'm using as well. It will save you 90% on on what's it called, on Claude Anthropic fees. All right, thank you for watching this video. This was an example of OpenClaw, Claw Launcher, which is a software that allows you to open OpenClaw without the terminal. So it basically bridges the gap between people that don't know how to use tech and people that do, and now you can also have OpenClaw on your computer. And just to finish this video, let me show you that this is OpenClaw, but when I want to close it, I can just click on force close OpenClaw, and then it will literally it will terminate entirely the process, and that way this will be disconnected, and that way you won't have to worry that it's working in the background, giving you peace of mind when you're using OpenClaw as a new user. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.